Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I think I took way too long to show you this video. So yes, it's finally here. My studio room tour, which I've been, raving about for a really long time, is finally ready. And today you're gonna see my studio. So all these days you have just been seeing only this much of my room space. So you get to see the other side where you can actually see what I used to film and how I set up things in this room. Please keep on watching if you want to know about all the gadgets and everything that I use to film my YouTube videos. Also, if you are new here, then hi, my name is Vinisha. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click on the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, now the first thing what we'll do is we'll go outside this room and we'll enter from there so that you get to see how this room looks like. Okay, come, let's go. So like I mentioned in my house tour, this is where my studio room is, and let's get into and see how it looks like. So this is where I sit and record my videos, and this is how my studio setup looks like. So I will take into all the details of the gadgets and everything in some time. So this one is actually a bedroom without an attached washroom, and I've been using it as a studio come office space now. And here is the balcony for this room. And this is how the balcony from my room looks like. So remember in my Ikea vlog you were seeing I was standing in a tram stop. So this is the tram stop. This is where we have to wait for the tram. Now since it's raining it looks really disgusting right now, but it is actually a nice place. So there is this tramway behind my apartment. Now let's take a look at all the things that I've got in this room. So this is the plant stand that I got from Ikea that day. In case if you have seen the video, then you must have known. And the vase that I showed in my previous video. So I've mentioned in my house tour that there was a damaged table that we got. So this is a part of it which they asked us to just chuck it, and I thought this will be useful for my background, so I kept it. So that is this piece, and this is my Alex drawer, and this is my fairy light stand which you have seen in my previous video. So there is also a socket below where I charge my laptop and my camera. So this chair is white and I have this throw on because it's super cold here, and the chair is sometimes super cold, and just to keep it warm I put this pink throw on top so that it is not that cold. And under this table we have kept a waste bin, and on top of this table, remember the Malm table, so I have kept all the important things like gadgets, the remotes of these softbox lights and the ring light here, an emergency scissors, the arm stand for my mic. You can actually attach this mic to this one as well. Some hair ties, your lens covers, and all those stuffs are kept in this drawer, which is like emergency that I would be needing while recording. So here I have all my makeup brushes here. So these are all the used ones. These are all the eye makeup brushes and my face brushes. And these are some combs, palette, and all that. This is the recent heat protectant that I've been using from Kerastase. And makeup beauty blender, clutcher, lip balm, another makeup brush. So this is what I get to see while I'm recording. The camera is kept right in the middle and the ring light is kept around it. So the camera is kept on a heavy duty tripod stand and the ring light is kept on a separate light stand. The same goes on for the lights as well. The lights are also kept on two different heavy duty light stands. And this is my MacBook Pro connected to Wi-Fi with my camera, and the camera that I'm using is the Canon 90D camera, and I'm using the kit lens 1855mm kit lens, and the mic I'm using is from Rode and it is this mic. So I will link all these products in my description in case if you want to check it out. And here in this end we have a heater. So this is actually a room heater, and to whichever room I go I take this with me because this is the only thing that's gonna keep me warm. And behind me I have a few notebooks here. This my gratitude journal, planner, and also all the other notebooks that I use to script down my YouTube content. And there are other stuffs which I use for filming, mostly like gadgets, wires, hard disks, and all that. Now I'll show you how these tripods are arranged. So the camera is mounted on a Digitex tripod which I got from India, and the ring light actually came with the tripod, and the tripod which is there on the ring light is not very sturdy, I would say. It is quite travel friendly, but it is not very sturdy like how the other light stands are. So next is this continuous lighting system. It has this digital screen behind where you can actually set the level of your light and also the temperature. So I'm not very good with gadgets, so please do your own research before buying. I'm just showing what I have in my studio. The ring light here also has this LED screen behind where you can see the level of it and the temperature adjustment behind. You can change the levels of the temperature. You can increase or decrease based on if you want the light yellow or white. So this is the light that I got. It's the Godox SL60W, and this light is from New Year. I mean, this diffuser is from New Year, and I got this one separate. So this light is separate, the diffuser is separate, and the tripod is separate. So I had to get all these separate. And this is very handy because it comes with a remote and you can actually adjust it there. One downfall I would say is that it makes a little bit of noise, like there is a fan noise that comes from this light, which might be little disturbing for someone, and your audio might be a little disturbed, but it did not happen that bad to me so far, so it's okay. It doesn't matter to me that much as of now. I mean, I'm keeping the mic really close and I hope it's audible. Okay, now coming back, let's talk about this thing what I have in my hand right now. So this is the small tripod, and this is a tripod holder, and this one is a small shotgun mic, I think this is called as. So this setup I totally got it, I got the idea from Jake Sitlani's channel. So he did a really good job of explaining how he curated a setup to film with an iPhone, and it worked super beautifully for me. This has been like the only vlog, what do you call it, vlog thing which I have, and it's working really well. I so love it. And the phone that I have is the iPhone 12 Pro. It's my husband's phone, and yeah, that is in which I film vlogs now. So in case if you want to watch that video of how I got my phone vlogging setup and everything, I will leave a video of Jake Slitlani where he explains how he decodes all the small devices that is needed for vlogging from an iPhone. So I really hope that is very useful for you guys, because that is exactly all the stuffs that I got, and it has been working really beautifully for me. And the other thing about this mic is that you have to connect the audio, uh, to the camera and the mic, and there should be another wire to give a power supply, and I've connected that to my laptop, so it is fine as of now. You can even use a power bank. I was using a power bank before, but then I noticed a weird noise or a disturbance in my videos, so I stopped using a power bank and went ahead and started using my laptop instead, and it's working really good now. So that is about this mic. Now these are the remotes that are used for the lights. These two are for the softbox lights, and this one is for the ring light. So these have the power button, and these are for increasing and decreasing the light. And this also has the adjustment to change the temperature of the light, so you can make it a little bit warm, not that warm to a point that you get yellow light, but you can actually adjust it a little bit and get a little warm light and also pure white light. So I kind of adjusted somewhere having a little tint of yellow in it, because that I feel is more natural rather than having pure white light on my face. And the same goes with the ring light as well. You can change yellow and white bulbs. So now if you actually see, I don't know, the camera could capture it properly, there are like yellow and white lights popping at the same time. So this will actually give you the right color of your face. So if it's too white, then you might actually see shades of ash and gray dominating your face. So that's why I prefer having mixed of yellow and white light, so that it gives a much natural looking finish. And that's it, you guys. I hope you guys liked the video and actually got to see what I used to film my videos. And thank you so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.